Hello everyone, today I'm going to share some tips on how to write great product reviews on Temu, whether you're helping others make informed decisions or just sharing your experience. A solid review goes a long way, so let's get right in. First of all, log in with your account, right? Make sure that you have access to your account. Next, talk about your experience, right? Share and first thing first, always include basics in your reviews, right? Talk about what you brought or what you bought and why you decided to buy it. For example, I can go ahead to my and see right here the orders, processing, shipped, or delivered, right? You can find the products that you bought, right? Go to one of your products. Let's say, for example, I want to go to this one, right? And make sure that you write down why you bought this this item, right? You can see right here the item review. You're gonna see the examples: purchased 2 times, right? And you're gonna see only one comment, 100%, right? And basically start with the basics. Always include the basics in your review. Talk about what you bought and why you decided to buy it. For example, say something like, I got this phone case because, or I got this premium PVC car wrap because I needed something sturdy and stylish. Simple and clear. Next, talk about your experience. Share your actual experience with the product. Was it what you expected, or did it meet or exceed your expectation? For example, you could go ahead to your product. Again, we're going to use this as an example and say this material or the material feels premium and it fits my phone perfectly. Plus it came in earlier than I thought, right? You're gonna see right here the reviews, right? If you want to know how to write it, if you want to start writing it, and basically you're gonna see the products and you can select the products and review them, right? Next, mention specific details. Specifics are always and super helpful, right? Talk about things like size, color, material, something like that, right? Or any features you noticed. If you're reviewing clothing, mention the fit, true to size, but the fabric is thinner than I expected. The more details you share, the better. Next, be honest. Honest is key. If something wasn't great, don't shy away from saying it, all right? Because you are contributing to the next person's purchase, right? Just keep it constructive. Instead of saying this product sucks, you can say the stitching wasn't as good as I hoped, but it still works for now. This helps both buyers and sellers, all right? Next, include a tip or recommendations. If you have an advice, share it. Share it with other people. If, for example, if you're buying this, the car, right? The color changer car, make sure to get the right sized bulb or the right sized color, right? As it doesn't come with one. Little tips like this can save others a headache, right? And there you have it. Make sure that you keep it balanced. Include a tip or recommendations, right? You're gonna see right here and examples, and make sure that you summarize everything you said in couple sentences, right? Make sure that you don't write a long article because people want to decide fast, right? Wrap it up with a quick summary or overall recommendations, okay? And there you have it. How to write a great product review on Temu. Remember, your review can help someone else decide if the product is right for them. So take a few minutes to share your thoughts. And if you want to know how, you can go back, right? And click on you, and you're going to see right here the reviews. And for each product, you're going to be able to access the reviews. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. See you next time.